62 years, sleeping beneath the ice.
All right, team, let's get the sonar deployed near the center. Sarah, James, you're with me. Easy with that.
Watch the cable.
Generator next. I found it! I actually found it!
Oh, are you serious? Oh my God!
This is incredible.
47 meters from shore. 14.3 meters deep.
Field base established. -5 degrees Celsius inside. Day 1, Dalles. Extraction begins.
We found it!
Oh!
I am just glad we are inside right now. It's absolutely freezing out there.
Yeah.
At least the heaters are working. Tension coming up now. Easy, easy. Confirmed. Watching the load gauges.
Alpine Base, this is Frost Team. Package secured, heading home. Let's bring her home, team.
Keep it steady, looks slippery. Copy that, coming up on the bend.
Route recalculated. In 2 miles, take the ramp for the Dalhousie Street exit.
Brake temperature is spiking.
Keep it steady. We're approaching the ramp.
Traffic is stopped ahead. Prepare to hold.
I think we'll need a bit more here. All right, understood.
Calgary, Tactory. Distance remaining, 8 kilometers.
All right, team, slings secured. Taking tension now. Everyone stand clear of the load.
Measurement 52, left rear door gap, reading 11.5 millimeters. Significant barnacle-like corrosion noted adjacent to the impact zone. Photographing details now.
70127, it's a match. Look, one of 252 built. We actually found it. All right, keep the tension coming up. Careful of the firewall. There she goes. It's finally out. The gauge cluster is out. Is this salvageable? Yeah, put that in the green bin, log it as 67B.
Oh my God, this is it.
Is it real?
To my dear daughter. Checking cowl alignment. 3.5 millimeters.
Adjusting support.
Now within 3.0. Locked.
Chrome restoration, $38,200. Restorable, 32%.
The bore scope shows significant internal rust.
Drill a hole here to confirm metal loss.
We need to model the new section in CAD.
I have the scan. I'll design the new piece.
The budget for Q3 is tight based on this burn rate.
We need to accelerate the fabrication phase if we want to hit the deadline.
I agree, but we can't compromise the quality.
You'll be whole again. I promise you, in 18 months, you'll be perfect.
Differential mounts secure.
Moving to brake lines.
Suspension torque sequence complete.
We did it. Chassis number one. Chassis number one is complete. Rolls smooth, doesn't it?
Epoxy primer. 2K urethane, 2 coats. Engine, 600 hours, 165 8 Compression 9.5 Ters 1. Chrome $38,200, triple plate quality. Handle fitment, seamless precision. Window trim, show-winning finish. Three coats applied. Feather white perfection.
All right, lowering now. Just a little further.
Yeah. Looks good. Check the mount clearance.
Perfect.
Tighten it down.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the front left. Got it. Adjusting now. It's seated. Perfect alignment. Listen to that V8.
Incredible.
6'2" years and she lives. The finish on this grille is immaculate, truly factory standard. Agreed. The wire wheels also appear period correct. Note the so period correct.
And the winner of the best post-war sports car with a score of 98.7 is the magnificent BMW.